Best practices to create new accounts. Use the AI review and generate CVs. Hello everyone. Today we want to teach you the best way to add a new consultant to your team. On your company dashboard, click on New Consultant. Enter the consultant's first and last name, and make sure that the AI review box is unchecked. This allows you to review the profile for any mistakes or errors before the AI assistant does, ensuring that the AI only acts upon the corrected version. Your next step is to click on Import Existing CV and choose the CV file from your browser. After that, just press Create Account. Now, your consultant account has been created with the information parsed from the CV file. You can scroll down and look for errors and mistakes, ensuring that the data is all in agreement with your consultant's CV. If you want to correct the information, just enter Edit Mode from the left side menu bar. We'll begin by editing the Skills and Evaluation section to add skills to all projects. In the editing window, click on Add Multiple Skills, paste the list of skills, and check the boxes for the relevant projects. After that, click Search and Add. Once the skills are added, you can assign a competence rating to each one. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Next, if the consultant has listed a training under their educational details, you can easily convert it to a training entry. Simply click the three dots next to the entry and select Convert to Training. We also need to update the proficiency level for French. To do this, go to the Edit Languages window and adjust the proficiency level. Once you've made the change, be sure to click Save. Finally, if a specific set of skills was missing from the consultant's CV under a particular professional experience, we'll need to add them. First, select the relevant professional experience, scroll down, and click Add Multiple Skills. Paste the skill set, then click Search and Add. This will link the skills to that specific professional experience. Once done, make sure to click Save. As you can see, the skills are now listed on the professional experience. Now that we've reviewed everything and made quick fixes to the information, it's clear that if we had asked the AI assistant to review the profile earlier, it would have processed the data errors we just corrected. For this reason, we only proceed with the AI review now. To do that, simply click the AI review button next to the profile manager. Once the AI review is complete, you can select the reviewed profile in the Profile Manager to view the results. You'll notice that the AI assistant has generated a CV summary, incorporating all the corrections you've just made. Additionally, it has created new sections under Professional Experience, using the information provided. Lastly, the AI has even added a section for organizational skills and competences, improving the CV and giving it a more polished, professional appearance. Now that we have the profile finalized, it's time to start generating CVs. To do this, simply click on one of the two Generate CV buttons. Then, choose from the wide range of available templates, select your preferred format, scroll down, and press Generate. Once the CV is generated, it will be automatically downloaded to your desktop, allowing you to review it and use it immediately to apply for your consultant's dream job. I encourage you to adopt this method of creating new accounts, as it simplifies your workflow and improves efficiency. If you're encountering additional challenges while creating a consultant's account, we encourage you to review our Solving Common Parsing Issues tutorial, which is linked in the description below. For any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.